Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vipul and you are watching Digital Vipul. In this video, I will talk about Hostgator.in and how you can make money from Hostgator affiliate program. Okay, so HostGator offers an affiliate partnership program in which you can register, and by promoting their web hosting services, you can make money. Okay, so what you have to do for that, you have to go to hostgator.in/affiliates, and then there's an option of sign up for free. But before we sign up, let's hover over to this site and see how you can become an affiliate and how you can earn money. Okay, so what you have to do for becoming an affiliate, you have to sign up on hostgator.in/affiliates. And what you have to do, you have to promote the products of HostGator, that is the web hosting. So it is written that you have to use your website, your blog, your social media, your channels to promote HostGator India services with your affiliate link. So what happens in that you get a link, and when somebody purchases from that particular link, so that is tracked by the HostGator and they give you a specific commission on the number of sales you brought to them. Okay, so you can make money depending upon the number of sales you make for them. So they have shown that for 1 to 5 signups per month you make approximately 1250. For 6 to 10 you make 1650. For 11 to 15 you make 2250, and so on. Okay, so how you can start, and the host creator also provide you with certain kind of banners for your promotion. Okay, so you can use this banner in your website, in your blog, and in your YouTube channel for promotion of host creator. Okay, so there are a lot of questions also which they have already answered. Okay, so where you can promote, so you can promote on your website, blog, social media. What is HostGator affiliate program? It is basically a program in which you can refer somebody HostGator and you can make money out of it. And do you need to pay any sign up fees? So no, it is absolutely free of cost. Okay, where can you sign up? I already told you, hostgator.in/affiliate. And do you need technical skills? So they have already mentioned that that doesn't require a lot of technical skill. All you need a little bit of knowledge and sharing the content. Okay, so where can you find text links and banners? So that is all available in the affiliate account. And how much can you earn? The potential depends upon that how much sales you brought to them. Okay, and where can you monitor your commissions? So you can monitor all the commissions in your affiliate panel. Okay, so now let's start the registration process. So what you have to do, you have to click on sign up for free. Okay, then what you get this kind of form. So here you have to fill your details. Okay, your first name, your last name, your phone number, email address, password, your company name, your website, your address, city, state, country, pin, currency. All of these details you have to fill, and then you have to click on I agree, and then you have to click on sign up. Okay, so I will fill all these state and click on sign up, then we'll get back to you. Click on sign up, then you will see a message like your account has been successfully created. Please check email for login link. So what you have to do, you have to go to your registered email address which you have entered in the form, and then you must have received a link for login, and then you have to click on that. So when you will click on that link in your email ID, you will be directed to this website. Okay, so you have to enter your email address and your password which you have received in that link, and then you have to click on sign in, and you will see this kind of dashboards in front of you. Okay, then here they are showing an opt-in policy. So in order to continue receiving email communication from us for the upcoming webinars, white papers, so you can opt in. So I will click on yes, and then I will click on apply. Okay, so here's your complete dashboard, and that is here, and here's your ID. When you click on that, you can see this is your affiliate ID. Okay, and whenever you are using any kind of links for the promotion, you will see this ID in that link. Okay, then there's an option of search. You can search whatever the information you want. There's an option of notification, and here's an option of how you can create a link. So okay, you don't have to do you anything. You just have to click on Hostgator. This is an optional, and you have to just click on create, and you will get a link. So you just have to copy this link and paste it at the place wherever you want to promote the Hostgator products. And if anybody buys from that link, okay, so you will get a commission. So I will show you that. So I have copied that link and pasted one of my in one of my YouTube videos. So you can see this is the same link over here. Okay, QD6L3. So what will happen when you click on this link on my YouTube channel, you will be redirected to the page of Hostgator to buy all the kind of products whatever you want, like hosting and domain name and all those things. And you can see this is an ID 2239287, and I have shown you over here that 2239287. Okay, so you can see that ID is mentioned over here. It means the person who is buying that products on the Hostgator has been referred by my ID. Okay, so in this way they keep on track on the number of sales which are happening from a particular ID and provide the commissions. Okay, so from this section you can get the details of your affiliate ID. From this section you can build the links. Okay, and you can copy it in your YouTube channel, on your website, on your blog, wherever you want. Okay, and this is a section of help section. Okay, and this is showing your total balance amount, whatever it is. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, you have to you have to provide your details of your bank account and all those things. So you can provide it from here: earnings, withdraw, invoice, pending action, withdraw setting. Click on withdraw setting. Okay, and here you have to provide all the details, like you are from India, you have to give your beneficiary account name, bank account detail, SWIFT code, as well as your IFC code. And then you can also schedule your payment whenever you want to get the payment. If you want to set a particular threshold, that if your balance reaches to this amount, like 3200 or 1280, then they should pay you, or you can fix a particular date in a month that on that particular day they will pay you. Okay, but they have mentioned that fixed day is not recommended if you're working with more than one advertiser. So make sure if you're working with more than one advertiser, don't put that option. Okay, then you have to put all the detail, and then you have to click on save. Editing your profile, so you can go on edit profile and edit whatever the information you want. Okay, so these are this kind of snapshot, and you can find the ads to promote. Okay, so whatever the kind of ad you want, you can promote that banner ad or whatever the ad you like. Okay, like this kind of ad, this kind of ad. So you can click on the get code. Okay, and you can copy this code and paste it on your website, then this banner ad will start showing up on your website. Okay, so in this way you can use any kind of banners for promoting that Hostgator content over your website and make money. So okay, so I think you have got pretty much all the kind of points whichever I wanted to explain you. Okay, so in this way you can make an account on hostgator.in/affiliate and refer somebody for using the Hostgator and start making money. Okay, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, then share it with maximum amount of people, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the new notification of my next videos. And thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.